The National Hurricane Center is monitoring a tropical disturbance in the Gulf of Mexico to determine if the weather pattern will turn into a storm. Forecasters, however, said the disorganized showers and thunderstorms were not likely to turn into a named storm or full-fledged hurricane. The National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration put the possibility of development at only 10% through the next 5 days. The weather pattern was, however, moving inland and was expected to make its way over Texas Monday afternoon into Monday evening. Despite the fact that it would almost certainly not become a named storm, the pattern was expected to bring heavy rain and flash flooding across the southern portion of the state. Heavy rain, wind and at least some coastal flooding was expected in Texas through Thursday, KTRK-TV reported. The weather could potentially bring dangerous rip currents and rough waters, while rainfall could be as high as 12 inches in certain areas. The National Weather Service warned the impending rain will bring much-needed moisture to the Texas area, which has been experiencing drought conditions as of late. Residents were urged to be on the lookout for flash flood warnings and not to drive through flooded areas. Flooding was possible in parts of Austin, San Antonio and southwestern Louisiana, according to AccuWeather. There has so far this year been 2 hurricanes, Bud and Aletta, both in the Pacific Ocean. NOAA's Climate Prediction Center said this year's Atlantic hurricane season was expected to be near or above average. The center said the season, officially beginning June 1 and lasting until the end of November, would likely bring anywhere from 5 to 9 hurricanes, 1 to 4 of which would likely be categorized as major. Places like Puerto Rico, meanwhile, are still dealing with the effects of the 2017 hurricane season. Months after Hurricane Maria, questions remain about just how many people were killed by the storm and its aftermath. Some portions of the island still don't have power and are unprepared for the possibility of another storm.